What's up, my goodies? Welcome back again to my channel. Now, this time of the year, Jamaicans will love a sorrel drink. So, I'm gonna show you my recipe, so keep on watching. So, for this particular recipe, I'm using the dry sorrel. I'm also using some orange peel, ginger, cinnamon leaf. I'm also gonna be using the cinnamon stick, as I'm not using a lot of the leaf, and also some pimento seeds. Now, this is just my recipe, so if you do it yours another way, then don't judge me, guys, and I won't judge you either. Now, my cinnamon stick gonna be looking different from the store-bought, since I just purchased my cinnamon leaf with the stick and I let them dry. Alright, now I'm using the whole pack for the recipe. Alright, so first thing you're gonna do is to make sure you wash your sorrel. Now, guys, for me, I didn't drain mine properly, so you will see that some of the juice or some of the liquid from the sorrel, because you know, once you watch it, it will become like red. Because you know, so because sorrel strong, so the moment you wash it, you know, the water will absorb the color from the sorrel. Alright, now I just put my ginger in a one bag and I beat the hell out of it, guys, because guess what, I'm not blend mine, but I want my one for strong. So you know, the more you beat it, then the stronger you will get, the more flavor from the ginger you will get. Alright, now after you done beat the ginger, just add some water to the pot. Now I have 8 cups of water into the pot, and I'm adding my orange peel, pimento seeds, ginger, cinnamon stick, and cinnamon leaf. Alright, now what I'm gonna do now is to just cover the pot and let it come to a rapid boil. But bear in mind, guys, that I have to make sure say my sorrel fully drained. Alright, I don't want no liquid in mine. Alright, and that way I add it to the pot. Now I make it come to a boil. You know, you want them to boil together just to bring all of the flavors together before you add your sorrel. Because bear in mind, you can't boil a sorrel, so we're gonna brew it. But you want all of them spices there in the pot for, you know, get flavors together before you add your sorrel. Now I boil mine for like maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I put out the flame before I add the sorrel. As I said before, the sorrel can't boil. Alright, you're not supposed to boil the sorrel. Now make sure your sorrel fully immersed in the liquid, and then you will cover the pot and let it brew for like 12 to 24 hours. Alright, okay, guys, so at this point my sorrel is fully brewed, and look at that, guys, it is looking so rich. And if you want yours to be thicker than this or richer than this, then you could add less water. Alright, now I forgot to tell you that you could have removed your orange peel before after you add the sorrel. Alright, but I love my flavor of the orange peel, so I always just make it brew with it for the several hours, and then I just remove it when I'm straining. But you don't have to do that. Alright, remember, once you boil it, it brings out the flavor already. So even an hour after you start brewing a sorrel, you could always remove it. Now I'm just straining my sorrel. Ensure that you strain yours, because you don't want all of them petals there to be in your drink. Alright, so I'm using a strainer to do so. But make sure I want fine strainer, because if it has big holes in it, then you know some of the particles gonna go in. Alright, now mine is fully strained. I got 2.5 liters of drink. Alright, now as I said before, I love mine extremely rich, but if you love yours richer than mine, then just add less liquid. Alright, now at this point I'm gonna sweeten my sorrel. Now, because the sorrel, it is tart, so you know you have to add enough sugar. So you can add any sweetener of your choice, but I'm adding some dark brown sugar. Now after I'm adding brown sugar, I'm gonna just mix it and give it a taste. Alright, now at this point, if you want to add your rum and your wine or whatever you want to add to yours, then you can. But trust me, guys, I don't love no alcohol in mine. It just tastes so good to me just this way. So, you know, I do it the way I like it. Now just give it a nice mix. And as I said before, if you want to add less sugar than me, or if you want to add more sugar, you just sweeten to your taste. Now, of course, If enjoying the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also click subscribe, and when you subscribe, turn on all notification so you never miss another upload, cause guess what, them always good. Now guys, you can follow me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara, and also share the recipe guys with your foodie friends, and more sorrel, and I will be making a sorrel cake soon, and also more Christmas recipes coming your way. So make sure you subscribe, and make sure the little bell turn on. Alright, now I'm just adding my drink into a glass jug. Now guys, it's smelling amazing. Now, as I said before, if you love your alcoholic, if you love it to be to have alcohol in it, then you can always add it. Alright, this is just my way of making it. Just make it your way. Now this is the end product. It is looking so rich, and I love the color. And guys, trust me, the pack sorrel is much stronger than the fresh.